This way?
Happy to.
This way. Come on, come.
Good morning, viewers from Bangkok in Thailand. Well, this morning I've got to cross the city over to Koh San Road, so I'm going to go halfway to MBK, and from there I'll get a motorbike taxi all the way to Koh San Road. But this morning I'm going to what is probably the best sneaker store in the whole of Bangkok, Super Sports at MBK. They have some of the best discounts on shoes you'll ever find. I am Siam. This is the Siam Square area of Bangkok. And MBK is my favourite mall in this area because it's quite a simple mall. There's a lot of fake stuff. There's a lot of bargains. It's not one of these high-end malls. And they have the best sneaker store in the city, Super Sports. There's the BTS train just going past. And after here, I'm heading to Koh San Road. I'll probably get a motorbike taxi. Still no trains going to Koh San Road, although there's a metro being built, so maybe one day. This brings you right into the third floor. Okay, this is MBK. And here's Super Sports. They have discounts on everything. Some discounts are better than others. And that's a good price for Air Max. You can choose your shoes by size. $16.50 for Adidas, not bad. More Adidas. All good prices, under 2,000. The ground floor is where the bargains are. It's got a lot of food as well. A lot of tourist junk as well. A lot of souvenirs. for food. There's plenty of choice. There's even a top supermarket. And on the 6th floor there's a food court. There's also one down here. So that's MBK. Need to go outside now. I'll order a motorbike taxi on my Bolt app. Even outside, there's tons of food. That was MBK. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next video.